Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. New day, new cup. I don't think I'm doing anything particularly new today except for, upon the advice of a different YouTuber, I tried something again that didn't work for me before, which was to put glitter on a cup by putting it into the resin and doing a layer of that glittery resin over a base color, in this case white. And she swore you would end up with a flat, smooth coat of resin with glitter in it as soon as this one coat dried. Well, for me anyway, this did not work. I did not put a crap ton of glitter in. It's not because it was too much glitter. I put just enough that I felt I would get pretty good coverage and not have there be big gaps of the base paint showing through. But it was not smooth and it was not flat. So what I did instead was I took the advice of a different YouTuber, and this would be Jessica Flynn from Flynn Sisters Boutique. And she said what you can do in this situation is to lightly sand, which I did, and then spray the entire cup with a glossy clear spray. You want glossy because you want the shiny to show, because we are going to put a water slide on this, and anywhere there is clear or white on the water slide, the white is from the backing paper, so this will show through, and if you leave it sanded, then you will actually see the sanding scuff marks. But the glossy spray is supposed to alleviate that because now you've made it pretty and shiny again. So we're going to give this a try. I have spray painted it glossy. I have found my best smooth surface, and we are going to apply a water slide. Here we go. I have mirrored the image because it has some writing on it, and I am going to put my water slide face down. I still find that easier than doing it face up. Again, that's just personal preference. Whichever way works best for you, that's what you should do. And like I said, this paper, this inkjet water slide paper, seems to release from its backing much faster than the previous type I was using. So I don't have to wait as long after I put it in the water, and that's kind of nice. And the other thing I like about it is it seems to be sturdier than the previous water slide paper that was very delicate, even though I would spray multiple layers of clear spray on it, including the Plastidip glossifier. I could still rip it without too much trouble, and this stuff just holds up better. I have one layer of the Rust-Oleum Clear on here, spray, to seal the inks in, and then I did one layer of the Plastidip glossifier, and that's it. And here we are, we're ready to go. That was in real time. Okay. So I want this relatively straight here. And we're just gonna slide this off. Okay. And I'll do a little bit of this. Okay, and then I will take my magic squeegee tool, and I will squeegee out all the water and the wrinkles and the bubbles. Okay, so there is my main sentiment. And on the back, put these in. We'll put these in this general area here. And I can put this one in now. These are much easier to place, the little ones are, than the big ones. Obviously, that would be the case. Alrighty. I'm pretty happy with how that's all looking. So I'm going to let everything dry thoroughly, and I will spray it with a layer or two, probably, of Rust-Oleum matte clear spray. And the reason for matte is because the next thing I do after the clear spray is put resin on it, and the matte, in theory anyway, gives the resin something extra to hold on to. That's the theory. So that's what I'll be doing next, and then I will, like I said, put a layer of resin on it. I will probably put my Marabou Rainbow Sparkle additive into it, Rainbow Alcohol Ink Sparkle additive into it, and yeah, we will have a gorgeous finished cup. So I'll bring you back for the resin part real quick, a couple seconds of it anyway, and then the big reveal. Stay tuned.